Today's expression is 깻잎 논쟁, meaning the pickled sesame leaves debate. It is a popular and light-hearted debate, so many Korean celebrities have voiced their opinions on this issue and have answered this topical question. So before analyzing this word, 깻잎 논쟁, let's check what this question is exactly. Imagine you and your significant other and your friend are having a meal together. On the table, there is a side dish, pickled sesame leaves. At this moment, your friend is struggling to pull the sesame leaves apart, and your significant other holds one of the sesame leaves down to help your friend. So here is the question. Are you okay with your significant other's action? Yes or no? On this topic, South Koreans are divided. People who say yes think that holding the leaves is just kindness. On the other hand, people who say no see this action as a sign of intimacy. Let's move on to the word itself, 깻잎 논쟁. It is a blend of 깻잎 and 논쟁. Literally, 깻잎 is just sesame leaves. However, in this context, it means pickled sesame leaves, and the last part of the word, 논쟁, means debate. Today we have talked about the pickled sesame leaves debate. How about asking your friends about this controversial question? It might be an amusing conversation. In my next video, I will come back with a new word and story. Leave suggestion in the comments. See you in the next video.